What's up, woodworkers? I recently made the decision to get rid of my bandsaw, and I thought I'd share some of my reasons with you. Initially, I never thought I'd get rid of a tool unless I was planning to replace it with an upgraded model. That's not to say I won't ever get an upgraded bandsaw in the future, but for now I realised that the benchtop Silverline one I had was no longer adding any value to my workshop. There were two things that helped me make my mind up. The first was that the type of bandsaw I had couldn't take thick blades, so it was only really used for smaller, more delicate cuts that you could also do with a jigsaw. The problem was that the jigsaws I've had in the past have always been a bit crap, so I've needed to use my bandsaw more than I probably should have. However, that'll change when I got this from Lumberjack Tools. I did a video on it recently, so check that out for more information if you're interested. But I suddenly found that I trusted the jigsaw a lot more to do cleaner, neater jobs, and as such I wasn't using the bandsaw as much. That being said, I was still using the bandsaw from time to time purely because it was there. Then I snapped the blade, which occasionally happens and wasn't the fault of the bandsaw or anything, but I didn't have a spare one. And it was only when I realised that a few months had gone by, I still hadn't replaced the blade. So I decided that it was just taking up space on my work surface, and I made the decision to sell it. I got it secondhand from my dad anyway, so I've had it for a few years and it didn't really owe me anything. But I was still able to get enough for it to pay for tickets for me and my dad to go to Makers Central next year. For those of you who don't know, Makers Central is a great UK event where like-minded makers of all varieties can meet up, find some new and interesting products and see live demonstrations and talks from some of your favourite makers. Last year was my first visit. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, I sold my bandsaw on Facebook Marketplace and haven't looked back. The great thing was that I found out the person buying it was actually buying it as a birthday present for a teenage son who was just getting into woodworking. I love the fact that it's gone to a good home and that young people are still wanting to get into woodworking. I think if I were to get another bandsaw, it'd probably be a much more heavy duty one of a bigger size to use for resawing boards and that kind of thing. But for now, I think I can get by with the tools I have. Now, if you're just starting out and wondering what tools you should get, then you need to watch this video next.